In a year, there are 12 months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. There are 365 days in a year except for a leap year, who has 366 days. And this ends our lesson. Please don't forget to subscribe so that I will be inspired to make more substantial videos for you to learn. Bye-bye for now. This is Teacher Edward saying bye-bye. Sa mga magulang na gustong isali ang mga anak upang mas lalo silang magiging mahusay, mangyari po lamang makipag-ugnayan sa mga admin. I-search lang sa Facebook ang IVFC Early Learners Info page. Ito ay isang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.